Welcome. This video deals with one portion of the traditional upgrade, focusing on 3 sections of the guide to upgrade the PS or pristine environment, which is completely different from the DB, PY, and PD upgrade. Keep in mind that not only are we moving from 9.1 to 9.2, we're also changing our OS. We'll be moving from Windows 2012 to 2016, so we are changing platforms. So let's see how our new 9.2 system will talk to our old 9.1 system. So follow the steps in the pre-upgrade task to verify that we can connect to the current production system from the new system. Here you see our 9.1 database system ID is ORCL and our 9.2 ID is JDE920. Please note, these two IDs must not be the same, so be sure to create your database with a different SID. From the 9.2 system, we provide the data source mapping information for the database on the 9.1 system. Now let's do the PS920 upgrade plan. Log into JDE Plan, enter GH961 in the fast path, and click on Custom Installation Plan. The guide goes on to explain each and every step with screenshots and explanations of what steps you need to do to create the plan and then run the upgrade. At the end of the process, the guide provides all the reports and JDE logs and PDFs that were produced in our upgrade. So the nice thing about this guide is that you have all these things to compare your own upgrade with. And if the upgrade goes well, you're going to come to this screen, Installation Plan completed successfully. Once the upgrade is completed successfully, we need to do a package build and verify that all the business functions and objects are building properly. Just like the plan, all the screenshots and step-by-step instructions are shown in the guide to complete the package build. So now we've signed into the live 9.1 system, and if we go to P0092 and look for users who start with E1 star, we see 5 users and 1 role, E1 role. If we go to P95921, work with role relationships, and look for E1 user 1, we see it as being assigned to E1 role and the sysadmin role. And if you go to P98OWSec, we have a record for E1 user 1, so it is a valid user which is working fine in the production system of 9.1 and should come across in the upgrade process. Now let's show the 9.2 system. And you can see that we are in PS920 and it's a Windows 2016 machine. And if we go to P0092 and try to find the user's E1 star, you can see that they did in fact come across in the upgrade. Now go to P95921 and look for E1 user 1, and you see the roles are the same for that user. Now go to P98OWSec again and look for E1 user 1. The security for that user is there also. So all the users on your old system have the same access to the new 9.2 system. Our next videos will show a little bit of the DB, PY, and PD upgrades. One final note, upgrades can be complex and daunting and can take from 4 to 5 months or longer depending on your resources. If you would like us to help you with your next upgrade, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. That's all for now. Bye-bye.